up guys, this is Marcelo Souza and you're watching Travel Tranquilo. Today is quite sunny and it's warm, -8, so we decided to do a quick hike. We're in Vikaköngäs, which is 25 kilometers from Rovaniemi, and I came here by bike a couple of times, but I recommend you to take the car, it's much easier. So from here we're starting the Vikaköngäs nature trail. It's around 4 kilometers and it's a circle trail, so we're gonna end up right here after that. The first point of this trek is the observation tower. It's 2 kilometers from the beginning, and there you can have an amazing view of the surrounding nature. We're finally in the observation tower and the view is amazing. Vikaköngäs area is actually called Arctic Circle hiking area, and you can come here whole year. For example, during summer you can raft and kayak in the river I showed you earlier. We're heading to the final part of the hike. There are a few places here where we can make a fire, so we're probably gonna grill some sausages and relax a bit before we head to town. So this fireplace is called Lavu. You can find it everywhere in Finland, and it's maintained by the city, so you can find chopped wood usually around. And you can make the fire. We just ate some sausage, which is called makara in Finnish. And I guess that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, wherever you travel, travel tranquilo.